Welcome to our tutorial on the Connect Curve command. Let's activate the Connect Curve command. We'll explore its definition window a little. Now let's create a curve between these 2 points. First, let's select this point. Curve 1 is propagated in our value field. Now let's select this point, and curve 2 appears right here. If we click on these red arrows, we can reverse the direction. Under Continuity, we have 3 options. Point. Basically, these 2 curves connect at this point. We also have Tangency and Curvature. We can adjust the tension value with these arrows. Let me choose Tangency from the Continuity drop-down menu. Let's click OK and run an analysis. View, Toolbars, Analysis. Let's enable the Curve Connect checker. Select this curve, and this curve, and this one. Hold down the Control key. You see the curvature discontinuity is 14% here and 105% here. If we check the tangency, it does show 0 degrees at both points. That's good news. Basically, these 2 curves are tangent. The same applies here. Let's cancel out of the Curve Connect checker. Now let's double-click on Connect 1. Under Continuity, we're going to select Curvature this time, and the same for the second curve. Click OK. And let's run our analysis again. Enable the Curve Connect checker. We'll select this curve, Control-select this one, and Control-select the third curve. Now we see that we do have curvature continuity and tangency. And this concludes our tutorial on the Connect Curve command.